We're ready to make some cornflake candy. This is my granny's specialty, and so we've taken up making it now, and I think it's something that you're going to enjoy. There's 4 ingredients: sugar, syrup, peanut butter, and cornflakes, and that's it. And it's so simple. So let's turn on our eye, and we're going to measure out 1 cup of sugar, white granulated sugar. Put it in our pan. Then we need 1 cup of white Karo. If you don't have Karo brand, whatever brand you have. Now, a little secret. Your measuring cup, if you spray it with a cooking spray, non-stick cooking spray, it'll come out a lot easier. So let's, I can't get that off, I'm not strong enough. So we'll just do it this way. So watch this. See how easy that slides out? You might have to coax the last little bit, but that's going to be it. Looky there. Okay. And then 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm using creamy peanut butter, but I'm sure if you wanted to use crunchy, you could. I don't know why you couldn't. It would still be good. Just give it a little extra crunch. Of course, the cornflakes are going to be crunchy. We're not going to cook this down. We're going to cook this before we put it over our flakes. And it doesn't take long to make. I was talking to my oldest son a few minutes ago. He says, "What are you doing, Mom?" And I told him. He says, "Some of that better make its way to my mouth." So we're going to get him some. All right, so we're going to put this in here. And look, it's already starting to come to a boil. It's going to be sticky and ooey and gooey and peanut buttery. And all you have to do is just let it cook until it comes to a boil. So while this is cooking, I don't have to stir it constantly. Let's measure out our cornflakes. I've got my large bowl, and I'm going to measure out 6 cups. Well, I thought I had my scissors. Y'all give me just a second. Let me find it. We need 6 cups of these cornflakes. Now, I use plain cornflakes. I do not. 1, I have to count or I'll lose count. 5. And I've let them peeked over a little bit, and that's okay. It won't hurt a thing at all. Just make it good. Okay, so we've got them ready. So all we're going to do, this is boiling already. See? Let me stir it down. And that's it. See how quick that was? Now watch this when we stir it over. We're pouring it over this cornflakes in this bowl. It's so easy and so delicious. I hope you'll try this. What is your must-have treat on your holiday table? This is ours. This is a must-have in the candy department. And look here, see, this is coming along. You'll think it's not going to stir together, but it does. It stirs together really quick. So let me get it finished getting this stirred up. We're going to move back over to the island for a minute. And we're going to scoop this out onto some waxed paper and let it cool. All right, we're over here at the bar. I've got my waxed paper laid out. And we are going to scoop this out. Now, let me show you what this looks like after I got it all stirred together. It's not a beautiful mixture right there. Now again, you could put crunchy peanut butter if you want it. It would just give it a little crunch if you want some nuts. Or, you know, if you wanted to, you could put some peanuts in it. I'd use the dry roasted peanuts. And looky there. Now see, that's going to cool off and stick together. Oh, it's going to be so delicious. And it's as simple as that. And if it comes apart like mine just did, just scoop it up and put it back together. It's okay. Looky there. So I'm going to get this finished, scooped out. And this is what it looks like when you scoop it out onto your waxed paper. Isn't it a beautiful sight? And we're going to taste some of this. You ready?
I'm ready. I got
your coffee? Yeah. What do you want to start with?
You gotta have something to wash it down.
That's right. Let's try a cornflake candy. There's you a piece.
Thank you.
Me and Steffi, we could all have a whole one, but we just want to taste.
That'd be good with a glass of milk too.
So yeah. I told you when we were making this, you could use crunchy peanut butter. We used creamy. We also got talking about it later, and we think that you could use the almond butter or really anything you want, don't you think?
You could use cashew butter. The hazelnut spread.
So, boy, that's good. This is what I'm most excited about. Anyway, we're so glad you joined us today. And we really appreciate all the love and support that you have given us. So stay tuned with us. We have a lot of great things coming, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.